Building a safe haven. Why waterproofing and fireproofing matter. When it comes to our homes, safety and security are paramount. We want a place that protects us from the elements and keeps us safe from harm. That's why it's crucial to consider fireproofing and waterproofing when building or renovating a home. Fire-resistant materials can mean the difference between minor damage and a devastating loss. They can slow the spread of fire, giving you precious time to escape. Waterproofing is equally important, protecting your home from water damage, mold growth, and structural issues. By understanding the importance of these elements and choosing the right materials, you can create a home that's built to last and provides peace of mind for years to come. Let's explore some of the best materials for creating a safe and durable home. Remember, a safe home is a happy home. Concrete, the strong foundation of a fire-resistant home. Concrete, it's the backbone of countless structures, and for good reason. This material is renowned for its strength and durability, making it an excellent choice for fire-resistant construction. Concrete is naturally fire-resistant due to its composition. It doesn't burn or release toxic fumes when exposed to high temperatures. This makes it an ideal material for foundations, walls, and even roofs. A concrete foundation provides a solid, fire-resistant base for your home. Concrete walls offer excellent fire protection, and a concrete roof can withstand even intense heat. Choosing concrete for key structural elements is a smart investment in your home's safety and longevity. Remember, a strong foundation is key to a fire-resistant home. Standing strong against fire, drywall, and roofing solutions. Building a fire-resistant home goes beyond the foundation. Walls and roofs also play a crucial role in preventing the spread of fire. That's where fire-rated drywall and fire-resistant roofing materials come in. Fire-rated drywall, also known as Type X drywall, contains special additives that make it more resistant to fire than standard drywall. It can significantly slow down the spread of flames, giving you valuable time to evacuate. When it comes to roofing, opt for materials known for their fire-resistant properties. Metal roofing such as steel or aluminum is an excellent choice. It's highly fire-resistant and can withstand extreme heat. Other good options include slate and clay tiles. These materials are naturally fireproof and offer excellent protection against the elements. Remember, choosing fire-resistant walls and roofing is essential for a safe home. Shielding your home from water damage. Waterproofing essentials. Just as important as fire resistance is protecting your home from water damage. Waterproofing is crucial for maintaining your home's structural integrity, preventing mold growth, and ensuring a healthy living environment. Water damage can be insidious, slowly wreaking havoc on your home's foundation, walls, and ceilings. That's why it's essential to invest in proper waterproofing measures from the ground up. One of the most vulnerable areas is your basement. A waterproofing membrane applied to the exterior of your basement walls acts as a barrier, preventing water from seeping through the concrete. For bathrooms, kitchens, and other areas prone to moisture, consider using waterproof materials like ceramic or porcelain tiles. These materials are impervious to water and easy to clean, making them ideal for wet environments. Remember, waterproofing is not an area to skimp on. It's a worthwhile investment in your home's longevity and your family's well-being. Section 5. Bathroom Bliss. Choosing the right materials for wet areas. Bathrooms are havens of relaxation, but they're also high-moisture environments that demand careful consideration when it comes to material choices. Using the right materials can prevent water damage, mold growth, and costly repairs down the line. Ceramic and porcelain tiles are excellent choices for bathroom floors and walls. These materials are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly resistant to water absorption, making them ideal for wet areas. For shower walls, consider using waterproof cement board as a backing for tiles. Cement board is a durable and water-resistant material that provides a stable base for tile installation, preventing cracks and water damage. Remember, choosing the right materials for your bathroom ensures a beautiful and functional space for years to come. Section 6. Sealing the deal. The power of waterproofing membranes. Waterproofing membranes are essential for protecting your home from moisture intrusion. These thin, durable layers act as barriers, preventing water from seeping through walls, floors, and foundations. Think of waterproofing membranes as an invisible shield, safeguarding your home from the damaging effects of water. They come in various materials, each suited for different applications. For basements, a common choice is a polymer-modified bitumen membrane. This type of membrane is applied to the exterior of basement walls, creating a waterproof barrier that prevents moisture from penetrating the concrete. In bathrooms and other wet areas, you can use liquid-applied waterproofing membranes. These membranes create a seamless, waterproof layer over concrete, drywall, and other surfaces. Remember, using the right waterproofing membrane for the job is crucial for long-lasting protection. Section 7. The importance of drainage, keeping water out. Waterproofing your home isn't just about creating barriers, it's also about effectively managing water flow away from your property. That's where proper drainage systems come in. Gutters and downspouts play a crucial role in channeling rainwater away from your home's foundation. Make sure your gutters are clear of debris, and your downspouts extend at least 5 feet away from your foundation to prevent water from pooling near your home. Grading your yard away from your foundation is another important step. The ground should slope gently away from your house, ensuring that water naturally flows away from, rather than toward, your foundation. Remember, a well-designed drainage system works hand in hand with waterproofing materials to keep your home dry and protected. Section 8. Choosing the right materials. Cement board for shower walls. When it comes to shower walls, choosing the right backing material for tiles is crucial for preventing water damage and ensuring a long-lasting installation. Cement board is an excellent choice for this application. Unlike traditional drywall, cement board is made from a mixture of cement, sand, and fiberglass, making it highly resistant to water damage. It won't rot, swell, or disintegrate when exposed to moisture. Cement board provides a stable and durable base for tile installation, preventing cracks and movement that can lead to water infiltration. Its water-resistant properties make it an ideal choice for shower and tub surrounds. Remember, investing in quality materials like cement board for your shower walls will save you headaches and costly repairs in the long run. Section 9. Don't forget the sealant, small details, big impact. While it's essential to focus on the big picture of fireproofing and waterproofing, it's equally important to pay attention to the details. That's where silicone sealants come in. Silicone sealants are your secret weapon against leaks. These versatile products create a waterproof barrier in gaps, cracks, and joints, preventing water from seeping through and causing damage. Use silicone sealant around windows and doors to prevent drafts and water intrusion. Apply it around plumbing fixtures such as sinks, toilets, and tubs to create a watertight seal. Don't forget to inspect and reapply silicone sealant periodically, as it can deteriorate over time. A little maintenance goes a long way in preventing leaks and water damage. Remember, even small gaps can lead to big problems. Silicone sealant is a simple and effective way to keep your home watertight. Section 10. Peace of mind. The benefits of a safe and durable home. Building a home with fire-resistant and waterproof materials provides more than just physical protection, it offers peace of mind. Knowing that your home is built to withstand the elements and potential hazards brings a sense of security and comfort. Fire-resistant materials can give you precious time to escape in case of a fire, potentially saving lives. Waterproofing protects your investment, preventing costly repairs and preserving the structural integrity of your home. A safe and durable home is a haven, a place where you can relax and enjoy life without worrying about potential dangers. It's a place where you can create lasting memories with loved ones, knowing that your home is built to last. Remember, investing in the safety and durability of your home is an investment in your family's well-being and your own peace of mind. Section 11. Investing in safety, your home, your sanctuary. Building or renovating a home is a significant investment, both financially and emotionally. It's a chance to create a space that reflects your values and priorities. By choosing fire-resistant and waterproof materials, you're not just building a house, you're building a sanctuary, a place where safety and security are paramount. You're creating a legacy of quality and durability that will benefit your family for generations to come. Remember, your home is more than just 4 walls and a roof. It's a reflection of your dreams and aspirations. Invest in its safety and durability, and you'll be rewarded with a lifetime of peace of mind and enjoyment.